minus J. So like now it's building in parallel again. Which is unfortunate, because if it crashes then we don't see the error. But this should pass. The glob shouldn't fail anymore. Because he told it to bugger off with the test. I don't even... Like, the reason why so many of these tests are failing is because I'm also building for GHCJS, which means that these tests, if they use any file system, they won't work. Because, like, that entire system just doesn't exist for JavaScript land. So, yeah, like, it's a good idea to add tests to your project, but remember, they may be running in an environment that's completely hostile to whatever you ever intended. Like in my case. Yeah, so I think it's actually... I wish it would tell me what's going on. Redundant, that's fine, that's just a warning. Missing... It should be in the bottom somewhere, right? Configuring network. Using errors found system, blah blah blah. I don't know, what the fuck? Okay, let's run it again with J1. I bet there's like a little message somewhere in the middle here and I just don't see it. Doesn't GCS run in Node? Yeah. It should have. It's just... I'm not really sure why it's failing. I suspect that it just behaves subtly differently. So we got Beam to compile apparently. That's actually a pretty high level component. I'm not really sure why. This should also work now because we disabled the test. But this is for globs, right? And I imagine that these system path globs, that they just don't work in Node environment. Like they wouldn't expand the same way as they would in shell environment. Still running test. Did that just disable you? Wait. Oh, I'm in the wrong folder. Am I in the wrong folder? Just close that other one, shouldn't I? No. One dependencies couldn't be built. I'm not seeing it. Configure script not found. Is that it? What? The fuck? That's the error message. Configure script not found. What does it even mean? There we go. Close this as there are two alternatives. Call hackage. What? New Haskell packages. Network call hackage. If you say so. Oh, there you have it. Which version did we use? I suppose you can just use that version or something? I don't know what's going on. Oh no, this is the Nick shit. Wrong Nick shit. We need to have packages. Probably should combine them at some point, but the issue is like these paths are hard coded in environment stuff, so can't just easily change them, unfortunately. We're not this version. Maybe this was the entire problem. We can try doing this actually. Try again. What? Not found in archive. What? Use override cable. Heard this before. Go. Déjà vu. Okay. Let's just look into music. Let's see. I don't know how to fix this. Call package. Call hackage. You can't find it on hackage. So maybe an older version? Let's do it. Actually, what I want to do is 2.8.0.1 instead of the other one. Because this is the one that, like, it targeted 2.0.0 before, and maybe this is like the one that fixes it. Like the minor build bullshit. And maybe they also included that. Even though this doesn't even exist on GitHub. That's the weirdest thing. think we got something. I'm not sure why it's running the glob test though. That's probably gonna fail again. You can even see it's doing JavaScript. This is why it's failing. Because it shouldn't do this. Why are you still doing that? I told you to not do that. Stupid up glob. Insolence. And maybe it's like capital letter G or something. Glop glop. Look for glob on Hackage. I need to have the Hackage name. Yeah, I think it's capital letter, yeah. So we'll do that. I don't think it's... yeah. Maybe I should actually fix these tests upstream. Oh, it's expecting the 2, but it's just got the 1. It's probably because the Node API is different. All this stuff is working though. Maybe this is actually a bug in GTGS or something. Or Node. I'm not sure. I'm gonna report this maybe. Yes, network config. Another test suite is failing. Build doc test. Test suite doc test for network. You're telling me there's more tests that don't need to be run? So we can also tell our override to not run tests. Thanks. You can see like we're overriding things and also telling it to not test. And yeah, just basically make our own little hack in build. So now it will succeed because we don't test. Yay! Our dependencies are not failing. Amazing. Oh, come to think of it, this is actually not the thing that was failing. The other thing was failing. Like a socket or something. No, network was failing because of... Right, it was failing on system.socket. And now we made it work again. So let's add a comment what we fixed here. Oh. What was it, like internal or something? Do I have a Google for that open? Yeah. Fixes. I kind of wanna like update my, like at least record why I put all these things in here, because it just seems a bit random after a while. I know for a fact that this, for example, isn't available in Reflex at the moment, so I need to put it in myself. But for other things like TZ, I have no idea. And this should also be there. Order doesn't matter in this case. Well, like for don't check, I probably know why. Doesn't do a test right. Maybe there's actually a bug in the library. Or in the platform. Probably the platform. I think we got through it, guys. We did it, right? We did it! Hooray! Let's actually tell it to build fast then. After this finishes. Because it's caching, right? Every time it finishes one, then we can... doing test? What are you doing? Okay. We'll just remove this and it will build in parallel again. Build fast. What's the point of the timer, he says? I don't know. I mean, if you watch PewDiePie, he would often shout in his video, swore, and I wanted to relive that moment. I imagine people want to shout swore. Swore. Swore! Swore! Yeah. I think we did. Should update the title. Out of Hell. Cool. Okay, let's do something something new then. Actually, let's set up the entire build environment. So this is sending, that's fine. It's already working, right? We can set up the UCID as well. Right, I actually need to do an entire deploy. Let's commit this first. I need to deploy. Okay, maybe I'll do the deploy tonight then. That sounds reasonable. I'll add a tag or something. Honey. Probably don't want this. Fix. Broken. By doing a minor upgrade. Hooray! No longer with us. That's such a poor message. Let's stack this. Let's see how far we can get today. Right, we did this. We ran the migrations, we just need to deploy. Cool. Deploy. And I'll just commit the idea. And I can do it at a later date, that's fine. Okay, let's do these labels, this is easy. Oh, you're failing again. Right, this is the... Fuck. I remember actually fixing this before. Set close on exit. Okay, let's fix this again then. Stupid trivial. Damn it, I'm like the only one that's maintaining that one. They moved on to a newer version. And I don't want to upgrade. It's too much code depending on that. Well, not that much, but enough to be annoying. Or maybe they upgraded it for me, that would be nice. Didn't I contribute to this? Yeah. Okay, let's target this one then. Maybe it works. Maybe it just works? Maybe. We can try at least. This is local, right? More hell. More hell. This is pretty normal, by the way, for an upgrade. Just keeps on going. You keep on in there for at least a day. At least a day. Only API has to go. What am I doing? What do you have in here, right? I don't have. Oh, yeah, I do have it here. I copied that. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, let's see. It's sent, right? You sent it. There we go. I doubt it though. I probably need to fix that. It's a small change, but it's a change. So that will be in base, right? Probably because we upgraded base that all this stuff is breaking. It don't mean that that API thing has a new lower bound if I change it to whatever we are using. I hope someone else fixes it for me because I don't want to. I really don't want to. Or you can put maybe an upper bound on it. And it will pull down everything else. Problems. Why is all this shit still building? I thought most of it was cached. I was doing it every time or something. It would be so annoying. Build system, it's a problem everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, well, at least I really like the fact that I can override shit. That's really good. It was really hard to do this in other systems. Maybe I just got better at it. That could also be the case. If I come along with the promise to find a solution. Yeah. I know actually a couple of interesting ones. In Haskell they want to like use basically types to figure out what dependencies you want and make them fit together. And there was another guy that wanted to make a module per function per module. Some internals. I think we need to fix this. Network socket. No, this is actually network socket again. I thought it was Molly for some reason. Oh, because it interleaved before. You can clearly see HBAC. HTTP client. One dependency couldn't be built. Network, yeah, it's network. I can try upgrading then. I'm fearful of this. It must be a major upgrade then. Let's try 3. It is network after all.